Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Jotform account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your PayPal personal account from your Jotform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your PayPal personal account from your Jotform? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes PayPal can put your payments on hold, so maybe it's better to go ahead and remove your PayPal personal account, set up a different payment method. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Jotform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Jotform, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete or remove a PayPal personal account from your forms, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not on a complete account level. So what you're going to do is here on the left side, click on all forms. Once you do that, you'll see all of the forms that you have set up in Jotform. You can see I just have these two. So first you want to go to the form you want to remove your personal PayPal from. So for example, this one right here, and you're just going to click on it, and that line should turn blue. Once that happens, you're going to click on edit form. Okay. Once you click on edit form, you're going to see your Jotform. You can see right here, and you can see right here, this is one of the products that I'm selling on this particular form. And to show you that I have my personal PayPal set up right here on the products or the payment, I'm going to hover over it, and then you should see this little wand, and I'm going to click on payment settings. Okay. Once you do that, you can see I have payment set up, and here is my product. And to show you that I have my personal PayPal set up here on this gear icon, I'm going to click on it. Okay. So here we have my PayPal personal integration. There's my email right here. So in order to remove this, is pretty easy. All you're going to do is here on your form on the left, if you don't see this, make sure you've clicked on build. And once you've done that, you're going to see the form right here. You're going to see this little trash can next to it. Click on the trash can. Okay. A quick second later, you're going to see the field was deleted. This little pop-up up here. So now my personal PayPal has been removed. So I can't receive payments through PayPal on this form. So if I want to go ahead and add another payment method, you're just going to do the same as you did to add your PayPal. Click on settings here on the top center. And then here on the left, you're going to click on integrations. And here you can see we can go ahead and add our Stripe account. We can add our PayPal business account. Now, if my personal PayPal was still connected, you wouldn't be able to add these other payment methods because you can only add one payment method to your Jotform. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove your personal PayPal from your Jotform, that's the easiest way. I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.